Alright, let's get one thing straight. Taxes. They're the one thing that's certain in life, alongside death. But unlike death, taxes come around every year, and they demand your attention. Nobody loves them, but in the US, filing isn't optional. It's a civic duty, a legal requirement, and yes, a bit of a headache. But it's also a way to contribute to the society we live in. Think of it as your subscription fee to civilization. Roads, schools, parks, emergency services, and so much more. These are the things that make our communities livable and vibrant. The IRS ensures compliance, and ignoring taxes leads to penalties and stress. Trust me, you don't want to be on their bad side. They have the power to garnish wages, seize assets, and make your financial life a nightmare. But it's not all doom and gloom. Filing can be beneficial. You might get a refund if you've overpaid. Imagine getting a nice check in the mail or a direct deposit into your bank account. It's like finding money you didn't know you had. It's like a surprise cashback on your societal membership. And who doesn't love a good surprise, especially when it's money? Understanding taxes is a life skill, empowering you to manage money better. It's not just about filling out forms. It's about understanding your finances, planning for the future, and making informed decisions. So, take a deep breath. It might seem overwhelming, but with a bit of knowledge and preparation, you can handle it. We'll break this down piece by piece. From understanding your W-2S and 1099-S to knowing what deductions and credits you can claim, we've got you covered. No jargon, just the facts, so you can conquer your first US tax filing like a boss. By the end of this, you'll not only be ready to file your taxes, but you'll also feel confident and empowered in your financial life. Before filling out forms, it's crucial to gather all the necessary documents and information. This will make the process smoother and help you avoid any last-minute scrambles. Start by assembling your tax mission kit. Think of it as your dossier for a successful tax filing mission. You need your Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. These are essential for identifying yourself to the IRS. Next, collect all your income statements. If you're an employee, this means your Form W-2. If you're a freelancer or contractor, you'll need your Form 1099. Don't forget to gather proof for any deductions and credits you plan to claim. This could include receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, or business-related costs. Specific documents like student loan interest statements or health savings account, HSA, contribution forms are also important. These can significantly reduce your taxable income. Keep all your receipts and bank statements organized. A well-organized file can save you a lot of time and stress when you're filling out your tax return. Finally, have your bank account information ready. This is crucial for direct deposit of any refunds or for making electronic payments. Make sure the details are accurate to avoid any delays. To recap, your tax mission kit should include your SSN or ITIN, all income statements, proof of deductions and credits, and your bank account details. Preparation is half the battle won. With everything in place, you'll find the tax filing process much more manageable and less stressful. You've got your documents. Now meet Form 1040. It's the main form for reporting income, deductions, and credits. Sometimes you'll need additional schedules for specific situations. Get forms from irs.gov, ensuring you use the correct year's forms. Tax software can help with the right forms and calculations. IRS instructions are your cheat sheet, explaining each line. Understanding Form 1040 and relevant schedules is a massive step forward. Choosing your filing status is crucial. It affects your standard deduction, tax rates, and eligibility for credits. Options include single, married filing jointly, and head of household. Use IRS tools or tax software to determine the right status. This decision impacts your entire tax return. Time to report your income on Form 1040. Include wages, freelance income, interest, and dividends. Add up all taxable income for your total income. Calculate your adjusted gross income, AGI, by subtracting specific deductions. AGI is crucial for determining eligibility for tax benefits. Deductions and credits are your tax-saving tools. Deductions reduce taxable income. Credits reduce your tax bill directly. Choose between the standard deduction or itemizing deductions. Itemizing requires more record keeping but can be beneficial. Tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit can significantly reduce taxes. Always check if you qualify for credits. They can make a huge difference. Tax laws change, so stay updated for your 2024 return. Expect inflation adjustments in tax brackets and standard deductions. Check for specific legislative changes affecting credits and deductions. Use irs.gov for the latest updates and ensure accurate filing. Avoid common tax mistakes like incorrect SSNs and math errors. Use tax software to minimize errors and ensure accurate calculations. Choose the correct filing status to maximize benefits. Don't miss the filing deadline. Request an extension if needed. Sign and date your return to avoid processing delays. You filed your taxes. Congratulations! This is a significant milestone that many people dread, but you've tackled it head-on. Filing your taxes is not just a legal obligation, it's a step towards financial responsibility and civic duty. By doing so, you contribute to the nation's growth and development. A tax refund can be a welcome boost. It's like receiving a reward for your diligence. This extra money can be used to pay off debts, save for future expenses, or even treat yourself to something special. It's a tangible benefit of being a responsible citizen. Filing builds a financial record, useful for loans and financial aid. When you apply for a mortgage, car loan, or even student financial aid, your tax records serve as proof of income and financial stability. This can make the approval process smoother and faster. Keep copies of your returns and documents for at least 3 years. This is crucial in case of an audit, or if you need to reference past financial information. Organized records can save you a lot of time and stress in the future. Check the IRS. Where's My Refund? Tool for refund status. This online tool is a convenient way to track your refund and get updates on its status. It provides peace of mind and helps you plan your finances better. Respond promptly to any IRS notices. Ignoring these can lead to penalties and interest. If you receive a notice, read it carefully and take the necessary actions. Contact the IRS if you need clarification or assistance. Filing taxes is a process that gets easier with practice. The more you do it, the more familiar you become with the forms and requirements. Over time, you'll find it less daunting and more manageable. You're investing in the country's infrastructure and your financial well-being. Your tax dollars help build roads, schools, and hospitals, and fund essential services. At the same time, you're building a solid financial foundation for yourself. Well done on taking this important step. You've not only fulfilled a civic duty, but also taken a significant step towards financial health and stability. Keep up the good work.